Hi, good morning everyone. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the pre-market analysis. Nifty hits all-time highs. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who has participated in India's growth story. If you look at the EOD chart, Nifty opens around 20,100 and closes around 20,000 levels. For now, Nifty has to trade about 20,100 150 to gain the momentum and continue its momentum. Sustaining below 20,000 levels, it's a consolidation time for markets. Bank Nifty to 46,000 46,300 remains crucial resistance for Bank Nifty, and sustaining below these levels, it's a consolidation time for markets. Looking at the yesterday's chart pattern, mid cap index and small cap index has fallen by 3% and 4% respectively. So the move has also been stupendous, but is it a bit cautious time for small caps and mid caps? Booking suggested in small cap and mid cap stocks remain in quality large caps in for long term investments. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care. If you like our video, do hit the like button and share it to your friends for more market updates.